Eyesight is, without a doubt, one of the most vital senses in the human body, if not the most essential. The eyes are crucial in every area of human life, and they always require special attention. After all, it's not difficult to notice changes in vision or even problems seeing correctly. Isn't it true that, other than persistent diseases that can result in blindness, brief periods of blurred or hazy vision are relatively commonplace? These injuries might be induced by a variety of factors, such as astigmatism, hormonal variations, high blood pressure, sleep deprivation, etc. Fortunately, there are natural methods to restore and improve eye health, which will prevent these problems. Most vision issues, regardless of their degree of severity, are linked to the deterioration of eye structures. Free radicals that settle in the eye tissue, causing oxidative stress on the cells in the region, are largely to blame. In this video, we'll show you how to make a nutritious drink with pineapple and carrots that have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and eye health benefits. It also promotes the protection of eye structures by avoiding turbidity and weariness. These two ingredients are highlighted in the recipe because they are both sources of beta-carotene and vitamin A, powerful natural antioxidants. When ingested, these compounds go directly to the drivers of vision damage, neutralizing them and ensuring the survival of eye cells. Now that you know how these two ingredients work to improve vision health, here's how to make the drink. Ingredients: 2 whole carrots, half of a peeled pineapple, a glass of water. How to prepare: wash and peel the 2 carrots. Meanwhile, cut the peeled pineapple half into small cubes. Next, cut the carrots into thin slices. Finally, place the carrot slices and the pineapple cubes in a blender along with the water. Mix everything in a blender until it becomes a homogeneous mixture. If there are solid pieces inside the drink at the end of the process, you can strain it and drink the juice afterward. If you prefer, use honey to sweeten, but avoid refined sugar. Drink it for 7 days in a row, repeating it whenever you feel tired. The carrot and pineapple drink has no known contraindications, except those who are allergic to its components. Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.